Now, you're worth over $100 million. Where do you invest your money? Where do the wealthiest people put their money?
Yeah, I mean, listen, I'm in wealth preservation mode, not too much wealth creation mode, but I still have a decent risk tolerance. So I would say I have about 50% of my money in public equities, and I am an individual stock picker. Yes, I have ETFs, but I think I have over $10 million of NVIDIA. Like, I am in the AI game.
So I need a secret right here. What's the number one most underrated thing nobody's talking about to get into right now?
I mean, listen, I still think the AI game is early. I think Palantir is early. I still think NVIDIA is early. I mean, some of these bulls have 2030 for NVIDIA being a stock price of $800. It's $152 today. Like, I still think if you're not investing in AI, you're going to look back and kick yourself. So I like public equities.
What do you mean by public equities? Is that just like in the stock market?
Yeah, public company, right? Public companies, right? Anybody who has any money can go get an account on a brokerage account like Fidelity. I use UBS as advisors. So I use their platform to buy and sell stocks, although I don't sell very many of them. So the thing about being wealthy that I'll also share is once you have money, James, you start to borrow and use leverage for anything else, right? So if I sell my stocks, I'm paying 20% if I kept them for over a year. And that's better than any kind of labor work from a tax perspective, but I don't want to pay 20%. So because I'm worth $100 million, UBS says, hey, Ann, you can have a $50 million line of credit with us. You can pull on it whenever you want. Well, I also negotiated my margin rate because I used to have my accounts with Goldman, and I left Goldman to go to UBS, and I said, but I want my margin rates to be lower than any other client that you have. And so I get to borrow money at like 5% right now, which is amazing. So I would rather pay 5% than sell my stocks and pay 20%. I don't have to pay any taxes on the money that I borrow. So if I can see an investment that I feel pretty confident that I'm going to make more than 5%, if I'm going to make double digits, I will borrow off the margin line and go make an investment in a startup or a private company or loan somebody money at a 12 to 15% interest rate.